Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today, I'm going to be talking about Mazda in general. We were going to talk about a car that won an award. And while trying to do some investigations to see which car we had on our lot that won an award, I found out that actually all of my Mazdas have won an award for this year of 2023. The award that Mazda has won is called IHS Safety Award. That is a nationally recognized award for vehicles on a safety level, meaning Mazda is literally listed as one of the most safest vehicles on the road today. It doesn't matter if it is the CX-5, doesn't matter if it is the CX-50, doesn't matter if it's the Mazda 3, doesn't matter if it is the CX-90. And yes, we have them all here at Russ Darrow Mazda. So once again, Mazda has won the IHS Safety Award, nationally recognized as the safest vehicle on the road today. At the end of the day, that is what's most important. Yes, we want a vehicle that's fun. Mazdas are fun. We want a vehicle that's reliable. Mazdas are reliable. We want a vehicle that holds its safety. Mazda holds its safety. But most importantly, we want to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. And Mazda fills the shoes when it comes to keeping you and your loved ones safe. So once again, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street, Greenfield, Wisconsin, representing Mazda and our IHS Safety Award for 2023. Take care. I look for you on the lot.